How to share Facebook Reel to your friend's profile. Open the Facebook. Tap on the Reels icon that you can see at bottom. Find the reel that you would like to share. Tap on the share icon that you can see on screen. Right over here you'll be able to find various options. You can see feed is selected over here. Tap on it. You can see the destinations over here. Tap on the option on a friend's profile that you can see at third. Tap on the friend of your choice. Now you can say something about the reel if you want. Tap on the option share now that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. It is being posted. Now that particular post will be shared to your friend's profile. Like this, you can share reels to your friend's profile. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.